Morning. Last class I discussed this almost trigonometric ratios all synopsis covered. In last point trigonometric ratios of n into pi by 2 plus or minus theta. Right. So one more property. If a plus b equal to 90 degrees, what happens about among trigonometric ratios? Winner first point నేను explain చేసి దాంట్లో only points రావాలి. If a plus b equal to 90, then b equal to b is 90 minus a. Then the sign of b is sin 90 minus a. Sin 90 minus a is cos a. Last class we discussed. So sin b becomes cos a. Similarly, my question is what about cos b? Cos 90 minus a, that is sin b. We have trigonometric identities sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1, that we have. So but sin square a is not cos b. Sin a is cos b, but in place of sin a we can write cos b. So cos square b plus cos square a equal to 1. We have identity only sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So we can also conclude cos square a plus cos square b equal to 1 only when a plus b is 90. So write down as a property. If a plus b equal to 90, then first point cos square a plus cos square b equal to 1. Write down as a point. A plus b equal to 90. Right. If a plus b equal to 90, then cos square a plus cos square b equal to 1. Similarly, cos a is sin b. Cos a is the same sin b. So sin square a plus in place of cos a write sin b. Sin square a plus sin square b also 1. We can conclude. We also conclude sin square a plus sin square b equal to now I also got doubt, that is what about tan b? Tan 90 minus a, isn't it? Tan b equal to 90 minus a, so tan b becomes tan 90 minus a. What is tan 90 minus a? Cot a, that is 1 by tan a. So this take tan a to the back side. So tan a into tan b equal to 1. So we also conclude tan a into tan b equal to 1. Tan a into tan b equal to 1. The example, suppose if I want tan 36 degrees into tan 54 degrees. Anybody know tan 36 value? Or tan 54 value? Tan 36 into tan 54. We don't know each value also. But the product we can say 1. Why? Because 36 plus 54 equal to 90. Without knowing the values of 36 and tan 36 and tan 54 degrees, we can conclude the product equal to 1, because since 36 degrees plus 54 degrees equal to 90 degrees. We also conclude sin square 43 degrees plus sin square 47 degrees equal to 1. We don't know sin 43 value. We don't know sin 47 value. We do not know. We know only sin 0 value, sin 30 value, sin 45, sin 60 and sin 90, that's all. Is it not? But even then we don't know the value of sin 43 and sin 47. We can conclude sin square 43 plus sin square 47 is 1. Since a plus b is any doubts, sir? These are some properties, and a last part is graphs. I'll explain graphs also. First, sin theta graph. Sin theta. We will have different values. What about sin 0? Sin 0. Very good. Sin 0 to this is 0. That we know. When theta equal to pi by 4, sin 45. Or also sin pi by 6, sin 30 degrees. What is sin 30 degrees? 1 by 2 or 0.5. Sin 90 degrees 1 minus pi by 6 minus half minus pi by 2 minus 1. So I will plot these points. Sin 0 is 0 is one of the point. Sin pi by 6 is 30 degrees around here. Pi by 6. What is the value of sin pi by 6? 0.5. Sin 90 is 1. The graph will be like this. Graph will be like this. Lower minus pi by 6. Graph will be like this. And if it is, we are taking very close, graph seems to be like this: 0, pi by 2, pi, minus pi by 2, minus pi. If it is like this, 1 and minus 1. The graph is like this. We are drawing the graph of sin x only in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, that is minus 1 to 1. If you observe the graph in microscope, you will be getting like this. That's my point. The generalized graph is from minus infinity to, so minus infinity to infinity is the domain of the sine. So if graph we are taking in a particular interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, that is the graph. The part of graph we are drawing in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So the curve, it is a curvy shape like this. It is a curvy shape. So draw the diagram of sin theta. Draw better draw will draw like this. If you observe the values of sin between 0 to pi, it is the upper portion above the x-axis, upper part of the x-axis, means positive. In the first quadrant and second quadrant between 0 to pi by 2 and pi by 2 to pi, first two quadrants sign is positive, and the minus pi by 2 is the fourth quadrant. It is the third quadrant. In third quadrant and fourth quadrant, the sign is negative. See that. The graph is very clearly tells that in third and fourth quadrant sign is negative, and in first two quadrants sign is positive. similarly cos theta. Finish the sin theta over see the cos theta. Write the table for cos theta also. Theta, cos theta for the angles minus pi by 2 that takes from 0 sin 0 value and the pi by 3 pi by 2 2 pi by 3 and pi. I'll take 5 different values of theta corresponding cosines are. What about cos 0 sir? 1. What about cos 60? 0.5. What about cos 90? 0. Cos 2 pi by 3? 2 pi by 3 is a second quadrant angle. In second quadrant cos is negative. What is cos 2 pi by 3 value sir? You didn't refer last class. I told you for different values of theta we discussed last class, last two classes. 2 pi by 3 is what sir? 120. 120 is 90 plus 30. Cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. Last class we discussed now. That is minus sin 30. What is sin 30 value? 0.5. So minus 0.5. Sin 180. Sorry, cos cosine we are discussing. Cosine 180. What is cos pi? Cos 180. Shall we write 90 plus 90? What is cos 90 plus theta? Minus sin theta, minus sin 90. What is sin 90? 1. So before minus symbol is there, so minus. So you must know the values of trigonometric ratios for the angle 0, 30, 60, 45, 90. Must. I told you in the last class. Because we are converting every angle in terms of that between 0 to 90 only. 90 plus or 180 plus n pi by 2 plus theta, where theta must be in between 0 to 90. Any angle, even 2020 also, 20 degrees also we can reduce in terms of 0 to 90. It is so multiple of 90 degrees plus theta, where theta should be between 0 to 90. How many multiples of 90? 20 90s are 1800. Then 20 into 90 equal to 1800. Okay, remaining 220 means 2 more 90s. 22 90s are 1960, 1980. Any doubt, sir? Is it 22 into 90 is 1980. 1980 plus 40 degrees, sir. To get to 2020, 1980 plus 40 degrees. Is it not? So even 20 degrees we can convert into 22 90s plus 40 degrees. So even multiple of 90. So the trigonometric ratio same as this it will come. If it is sin, then sin 40 will come. If it is cos 40 will come. If it is tan 40 will come. But plus sign will come depends upon the quadrants. 20 90s are the same as this because 4 rounds is a 1 revolution. 4 rounds or 4 multiples of 90 is 1 revolution. 4 multiples of 90 is 1 revolution. All 20 multiples are again same comes to same position 5 rounds, 20 rounds plus 2 more rounds అంటే 2 quadrants cross plus 40 అంటే that angle belongs to third quadrant. In third quadrant, so whatever the trigonometric ratios if we want, suppose if we want tan, so it belongs to third quadrant and it is tan 40 only. So depends upon that equipment. So for any angle we can convert into n into 90 plus theta form lo convert cheyali. So that theta must be between 0 to 90. So we must know the value between 0 to 90 for the values 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 because generally angles will be given any angle is there, we have to reduce in terms of n by 2 plus theta. Theta should be known value. Of course 2020 lo we don't know 40 degrees, so simply write tan 40 degrees, that's enough. If you know, you must write what are known angles 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. No, plot the points. Theta 0, then what is the first point on y-axis? When theta equal to 60, very close to 90, half. Yeah. When theta equal to pi by 2, 0. Curve like this. When theta equal to 2 pi by 3, when theta equal to pi, value is -1. So in general there is it is also a curve curving -1 to the values of cos are between -1 to +1, but sin 0 starts from here sin curve, whereas cos curve start from 1. That is the major difference. What is tan 0? 0. Tan pi by 3, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 approximately equal to 1 by root 4, but 1 by half, approximately 0.4 something else. Is it not? Approximately 0.4 something else. 1 by root 3. 1 by 4. No. 1 by root 3 is approximately 1 by root 4. Then 1 by root 4 to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is approximately 0.5 root 3. So I'll write like this. Pi by 4. Tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 6. Pi by 3. Root 3. What about root 3 value? Approximately 1.9 something else. tan 90 undefined. So I will plot the points. 0, 5/6, 5/3, 5/2. Tan 0, 0, tan 5/6, 0.4, like somewhere. Tan 5/4 is 1, tan 5/6 1.9 something else. Tan 5/2 is undefined infinity. So graph will be like this. Once I draw after pi/2 also what happened I will see in the time. After 90 also. After 90 means the second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is negative. Is it not? Tan is negative. So at pi/2 it starts from infinity onwards. When it reduces to, when it comes to pi, the value comes to 0. What is tan pi value? Tan pi. Sin pi by cos pi. What is sin pi? 0. 0. Sin pi 0. Lost. The graph will be like this. Graph will be like this. So if you observe in tan graph, if theta belongs to second quadrant, tan theta is negative, it is below x-axis. Below x-axis. The graph is. The generalized graph will be like this. 0, pi/2, pi, minus pi/2, minus pi. If you take like this, that is tan graph, generalized graph. Reciprocals you can draw that. First of all, these they are important. Remaining you can learn later. We will go to material. Yeah. We will do some problems and stress. So this is a good book. Actually in AP, very few colleges are following this. This is a material which used by Rajasthan quota people. Last 2 years onwards we are using this. We got an excellent result. It is not sufficient, I am telling, but it is one of the good material, because almost everybody following the same material, that is of Narayana material or Chaitanya material. Other colleges also following the same of copy of Narayana and Chaitanya, so everybody practicing that. But it is quota material. It has an excellent bits are there, but few bits are there. It is not sufficient for practice. For practice, I will give you more assignments. Okay. So, but you follow. This is important. So, while teaching only, immediately you just take this material. You can practice also afternoon session. You have to know. So, get it. The material is available at the material room. You will get it. See that exercise. See the first one. Which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? First question. Which of the following is correct? First one. Tan 1 greater than tan 2. Second one. Tan 1 equal to tan 2. Tan 1 less than tan 2. Fourth one. Tan 1 equal to 1. Tan of what angle is 1? Tan of what angle is 1? 45. So definitely it is not. Definitely it is not. That's very good. We have 1 is different from 1 degree, sir. 1 is different from 1 degree. 1 is a real number. 1 degree is an angle of 1. See very clearly. 1 is different from 1 degree. 1 is a real number only. This one real number is approximately, if we convert into angles, that 1 can be approximately equal to 54 degrees. If we convert the real number 1 in terms of measure of angles, degrees, that is approximately in terms of degrees is 54 degrees. Okay, 1 is approximately. So now we will discuss that tan 1 is approximately equal to tan 54 degrees. Okay, and tan 2, we are going to observe the relation between tan 1 and tan 2. So I will find tan 1 value and tan 2 value. Tan 2 is approximately equal to tan 108 degrees. Is it not? 2 into 54 degrees, tan 108 degrees. Tan 54 is a positive value because 54 degrees belongs to first quadrant. Any doubt, sir? So it is positive. Whereas tan 108 degrees belongs to, that 108 degrees belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is negative. So tan 108 degrees, that is tan 2 is negative. Tan 1 is positive and tan 2 is negative. Tan 1, not tan 1 degree, tan 1 is approximately tan 54 degrees, which is positive, and tan 2 is approximately equal to tan 108 degrees. It is less than 0 because 108 degrees is in second quadrant. So now come to the relations. Tan 1 greater than tan 2. A positive value greater than a negative value. True or false? A positive value. Tan 1 is a positive value. That is. Tan 2 is a negative value. A positive value greater than a negative value. True or false? మాట్లాడండి సార్. సో మాట్లాడకపోతే నాకు భయం వేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. True. Very good. Thank you. Tan 1 value is it equal to tan 2, sir? No. Tan 54 degrees is tan 180 degrees. Okay. Between 0 to 90, it is above x-axis. After 90, and 108 is less than 0, negative value. So these two are not equal. A positive value less than a negative value. Blunder. Before, without knowing tan 1, we already concluded tan 1 is not equal to 1. So first one is correct. Right. Right. Any doubts, sir? Next. Find the value of find tan 1 degree into tan 2 degrees into tan 3 degrees and so on up to tan 89 degrees. Last class I told you to find the trigonometric ratios of different angles. Yes sir, be prepared. But what about tan 1 degree value? Substitute. Tan 2 degree substitute. Tan up to tan 89. Then find the product. Voila. How? At least tan 1 degree. Tan A into tan B equal to 1 only when A plus B equal to 90. Yes sir, there are pairs. There are pairs. So 1 and 89 are 90. So I pair the tan 1 degree into tan 89 degrees, tan 2 degrees into tan 88 degrees, and so on. Tan 44 degrees into tan 46 degrees, and tan 45 is alone. No combination is there. 44 and 46, that's enough. 90. Two 45s are not there, only one 45. So each bracket value is not very good because since A plus B equal to 90 implies tan A tan B equal to 1. Very good, fine. What about tan 45? That is also 1. That is also 1. So final value is 1. Again.